What's up, everyone? Today we're doing something insane. I've gathered the world's best bug bounty hunters to build the ultimate bug bounty checklist. This is your step-by-step guide from total beginner to bug bounty master. We'll cover everything: recon, exploitation, reporting, and cashing in those bounties. Forget every other guide. This is the only one you'll ever need. Grab a notebook because every chapter is packed with value. Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's get started. First up, reconnaissance, the initial phase where we gather information. It's like preparing for a big game. You wouldn't go in blind, would you? Think of it as the treasure map phase. We're not just looking for gold, we're looking for data, insights, and potential vulnerabilities. Gather every bit of info about your target, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem at first glance. And I mean everything, not just their main site. Find all domains associated with the company. Dig into their subdomains. These are often overlooked and can reveal hidden infrastructure. Don't forget about abandoned assets. These are often the weakest links in their security chain. Easy targets just waiting to be found. Use tools like Subfinder to discover subdomains. Use Amass to expand your search even further. And leverage the power of Google dorking. Learn how to craft specific search queries to uncover hidden information. All of this helps to expand your potential attack surface. The more you know, the more options you have. Identify their tech stack with Wapalizer or WhatWeb. Figure out what technologies they're using, because knowing their software gives you a huge edge. It allows you to research known vulnerabilities and potential exploits. Dig into their IP ranges to understand their network infrastructure. Investigate their ASN info to determine network ownership, and explore historical data with the Wayback Machine. See how their website has evolved over time. Check for company acquisitions. This can reveal changes in infrastructure and security practices, because newly acquired infrastructure is often less secure, presenting a prime opportunity. Build a complete digital footprint of your target. Map out their entire online presence. Know more about their online presence than they do themselves. Become an expert on their digital world. Remember, every detail is a potential clue. A forgotten subdomain could be the key to unlocking a much larger vulnerability. Outdated software is a common entry point for attackers, or even a stray comment in the code could reveal sensitive information. Be thorough in your reconnaissance efforts. Leave no stone unturned, because this groundwork pays off big time in the long run. The more you find during reconnaissance, the more chances you have to discover critical vulnerabilities that could have significant impact. Recon is where winners are made. It's the foundation for any successful operation. Trust me, invest the time in reconnaissance and you'll be well on your way to success. Now, enumeration, the crucial first step in understanding your target's digital footprint. It's about gathering as much information as possible. Think of it as reconnaissance before a major operation. We're not attacking yet. We're simply observing, mapping, and documenting, exploring every hidden corner of your target. This means meticulously examining the website's structure, its subdomains, and any publicly accessible files. We're looking for anything that could provide insight into the application's architecture and potential vulnerabilities. Use tools like Derb, GoBuster, or FFUF to brute force directories and files. These tools automatically try common names and variations, revealing hidden areas that might not be linked from the main website. It's like having a robot tirelessly searching every nook and cranny. Look for admin panels, backups, configs, and sensitive files. These are common targets because they often contain valuable information or provide a direct path to system compromise. Manually explore the site. Click every button, fill every form. Don't just skim the surface, interact with every element. This can reveal hidden functionalities or unexpected behaviors that automated tools might miss. Use Burp Suite or Zap to intercept traffic and uncover hidden API endpoints. These tools act as a proxy, allowing you to see and modify the data being sent between your browser and the web server. Dive into JavaScript files. Developers often leave clues, API keys, or hidden paths. JavaScript is often used to handle client-side logic, and it can inadvertently expose sensitive information. Prettify minified code to spot secrets others miss. Minification makes the code harder to read, but a beautifier can restore its original structure, making it easier to analyze. Build a complete list of attack vectors, logins, uploads, APIs, everything. Consider every possible entry point and how it could be exploited. Understand the app's structure and data flow. How does data enter the system? Where is it stored? How is it processed? A clear understanding of these processes is essential for identifying potential vulnerabilities. This deep knowledge separates top hackers from the rest. It's not just about running tools, it's about understanding how those tools work and interpreting the results in the context of the application. Don't just scratch the surface, dig deep. The more you uncover, the more targets for the next phase. Each piece of information you gather expands your understanding of the target and increases your chances of finding a critical vulnerability. Let's move on. Chapter 3, Vulnerability Scanning. We're going to delve into the world of automated vulnerability detection. It's time to unleash the bots. We're talking about deploying a whole army of scanners to probe every nook and cranny of our target website. To do this effectively, we'll use tools like Nessus, a powerful and widely used vulnerability scanner, OpenVAS, a great open source alternative for comprehensive scanning, Nikto, a specialized web server scanner for finding common vulnerabilities, and Burp Suite Pro, an industry standard for web application security testing, offering a wide range of capabilities. These tools allow us to scan for thousands of known vulnerabilities, from outdated software versions to misconfigurations. Focus on speed, especially during initial reconnaissance. We want to quickly identify potential weaknesses, find low-hanging fruit fast. These are the easy-to-exploit vulnerabilities that can give you a quick win. Configure your scans for the target's tech stack. Understanding the technologies in use will help you tailor your scans for better results, and use authenticated scans when possible. Providing credentials allows the scanner to access more areas and identify more vulnerabilities. Don't just run the scan and walk away. The real work begins after the scan is complete. Tune your scans for maximum results. Experiment with different settings to optimize the scanner's performance. Learn to triage the results. Not all vulnerabilities are created equal. Ignore false positives. Focus your attention on the vulnerabilities that are most likely to be real. Focus on high-impact findings like RCE, remote code execution, or SQLI, SQL injection. These vulnerabilities can have devastating consequences. Automated scanning is a supplement, not a replacement for your skills. It's a tool to assist you, not to replace your expertise. Scanners miss complex logic flaws. They're not designed to understand the intricacies of application logic. Manual testing is still king. It's the only way to truly uncover the most hidden and complex vulnerabilities. Think of this as your first wave of attack, softening up the target for more targeted attacks. The scan results guide your next most important phase. Manual testing. Get ready to go hands-on and put your skills to the test. Let's dive in and start exploiting those vulnerabilities. Now, manual testing, the real hacker's playground. Automated tools can't think like an attacker. Your creativity is your weapon. Manipulate requests in Burp Suite, change user IDs, prices, or input unexpected values. Hunt for the big bugs, SQL injection, XSS, IDOR. Test business logic. Can you abuse features in ways developers never imagined? Be relentless and curious. Log everything you try. Sometimes failed attempts reveal new attack paths. Manual testing is where you find the vulnerabilities worth thousands. This is where you prove your skill. Exploitation. Time to prove your findings. Use the vulnerability to demonstrate real impact, but always act ethically. Extract harmless data to prove control. Never cause damage. For XSS, use a simple alert payload. For file uploads, upload a harmless file. Show potential for harm without crossing the line. Always follow the bug bounty program's rules. Know what's in and out of scope. Provide clear, safe evidence in your report. The goal, demonstrate risk, not cause it. Professionalism is key. Let's keep it ethical. Privilege escalation. Turn a small bug into total control. Use your initial access to gather system info, OS, kernel, installed software. Run scripts like linps or PowerUp to find misconfigurations. Look for SUID binaries or weak permissions to escalate privileges. Kernel exploits can give instant root, but use with caution and only if allowed. Show the company the worst case scenario. You started as nobody, now you own the system. This is how you turn a medium bug into a critical payout. Always document your steps. Privilege escalation is the game changer. Let's see what's next. Post-exploitation, demonstrate the full impact. With root access, explore the internal network if allowed. Scan for other machines, open ports, and sensitive data. Find internal servers, credentials, or keys. Each is a new attack path. Show how one vulnerability could compromise the entire infrastructure. Always respect program rules. Stop if pivoting isn't allowed. Detailed post-exploitation reports command the highest bounties. Show the big picture. Reporting where skill turns into cash. Start with a clear, specific title. Write an executive summary for non-technical readers. Explain the business impact. Provide step-by-step technical details and proof of concept. Include every command, URL, and payload. Use screenshots and videos. Visual proof is powerful. Annotate images to highlight key evidence. Explain the impact. What could an attacker do? Suggest clear remediation steps. Show you're a partner, not just a breaker. A great report is your ticket to big bounties. Be clear, detailed, and professional. This is the art of bug bounty. Remediation verification, don't stop after the payout. After a fix, retest the vulnerability step by step. If the exploit still works, report it. Often, you'll earn another bounty. Test for bypasses. Think creatively about how to get around their patch. Finding a bypass is a new vulnerability and highly valued. This builds trust and a strong reputation with security teams. Consistent follow-up leads to private invites and higher bounties. Be thorough and professional. See every bug through to the end. That's how you stand out. Continuous learning, the real secret to staying on top. Cybersecurity evolves daily. Keep learning or get left behind. Follow top researchers, read write-ups, and study new vulnerabilities. Practice on Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, and Web Security Academy. Don't just specialize, explore new areas like mobile, cloud, or reverse engineering. Attend conferences, watch talks, and stay curious. Teach others, blog, make videos, or write detailed reports. Explaining concepts deepens your own understanding. The journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay hungry, stay curious, never stop learning. That's how you become number one. That's it. The ultimate bug bounty checklist. Follow these steps and you'll find vulnerabilities help secure the internet and get paid. The only thing standing between you and your first bounty is you. If you learned something, smash that like button and subscribe. Share your best tips in the comments. Let's help each other grow. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Now go hunt some bugs.